Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to back up contacts on Android by managing your accounts and keeping your contacts safe. I'll guide you step by step. Now, let's get started. Step 1, open your settings app on your phone. This is where you can control all system features, accounts, and app permissions. Step 2, scroll down and tap users and accounts. This section lists all the accounts linked to your phone and helps manage data syncing. Step 3, choose your Google account. This is the account that stores your contacts, emails, and other important information safely in the cloud. Step 4, tap on Account Sync. This opens a list of all the data types that can be synchronized automatically with your Google account. Step 5, toggle on contacts. Enabling this will back up your contacts to your Google account and reduce the risk of losing them, which also helps avoid pop-ups from missing contact alerts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.